Alright, quick little vlookup. We have 5 salespeople, what they sold, like say in a particular month. And what I want to find out their commission, which depends on how much they sold. Lower sales, lower commission rate. So to make your life easier, vlookups get a lot of human error out of it. So if you want, you could pause right now and retype this information into Excel. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in a little table of what I want the commission rate to look like. Like say if they from 0 to 2,500, I want a certain commission rate. Between 2,500 and 5,000, another commission rate. So I'm just going to fill in a bin here. It's called of these values for different sales amounts. I'm going to do it automatically. I'm going to highlight the first 2 cells here, 0, 2,500, and I'm going to autofill down. That's why they call it the autofill. Down to 10,000, and say between 0 and 2,500 they get a 2% commission. Between 2,500 and 5,000 they get a 4% commission. I'm just going to type in these values, and again I want to same thing. I want to increment down different commission rates 2% at a time. So I'm going to highlight the first 2, autofill down to my 10%, and this is my table array. That's what it's called, where I want the machine to automatically look up these values into this table and return the proper commission amount. So I'm going to make this in yellow just for the fun of it. And I'm going to do a vlookup here. I'm going to worry about Sally first. Again, Sally is the important one. Put a number in here and then copy it down for everyone else. So basically I want to look up Sally's commission rate, which I know it's 4% because she's between 2,500 and 5,000. But I'm going to have a vlookup figure this out. Equal vlookup. Some people like the formula wizard. I like to just type out the function myself. So vlookup, as soon as I do the open parent, it tells me down here. First part of it is the lookup value, and basically what number here for Sally determines her commission rate, and of course it's her sales. That's what I'm looking up. So I'm going to click here. B2 is Sally's sales amount, comma allows me to go on to the next part of the function, and the next part then lights up automatically here, the table array. The table array are these cells down here, so I'm just going to highlight these 2 columns here, column 1, column 2. That'll be important in a second. And I'm going to absolute this. You always absolute the table array part of a vlookup. So I'm going to tap my F4 key, puts the absolute in, because think about it, when I copy the formula down, I always want to refer to that table in yellow. I don't want that moving around. And then comma again, and then which column, the column index number, which column do I want to bring in of this table? There's column 1, column 2. I actually want to bring in the 4%. That's in the second column, so I just type in a 2, close paren, and there's my vlookup. I'm all done. I'm going to enter it in, and there's the 4% for Sally, right? She got that 4% between 2,500 and 5,000. I'm going to autofill this down, and boom, everyone's got the right commission amount. And then to make life easier, I want to find the commission dollar amount. So I'm just going to go back up here on the edit line. I want to take that 4% times the sales amount for Sally to figure out our actual dollar amount for commission rate. So I'm just going to multiply this times this B2. Take the vlookup, which finds the 4%, multiply it times her 4,500, and then when I enter, it gives her $180. I'm going to make this $1, and then copy it down for everyone else. And then voila, I have all my commission rates. And the nice thing about this is next month I save this file, I open it back up, Sally's got a different amount. So I type in Sally had a bad month. I type in 2,300 for her. Enter. Automatically finds the lower commission rate, does the multiplication, gives her commission numbers. VLOOKUPs make your life easier, takes a lot of human error out of it, and simple to use in a way. Try it out yourself. Thank you.